Hello Biology and welcome to your first day of class. This is the Google Classroom we will be using that will hold all of the work that you do asynchronously, so that's at your at-home days, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, as well as a lot of the stuff that we complete together in live class on Monday and Wednesday. So this is the announcements page or the stream page. I sometimes use this if there's something I want to call to your attention or if I need to make a correction on something, but you won't ever find assignments on here. I will often include either news articles or new discoveries that science has made that pertains to what we're learning about, but you don't need to check this daily. Maybe once every other couple days is probably plenty. Where you're going to spend most of your time is the classwork section. And so the classwork section has one category called resources, and this stuff will always stay at the bottom. It is information that will pertain to you over the course of the quarter, so you might want to come back and check this information, like how to check your grades. What is going to change each week is the assignments that are planned. And so you'll notice week 1 is at the top. Right now it's the only week that's there, but week 2 will come above it. You'll find that in the future. So it's always the most recent information on top, and then it has the layout for the week. So this is a short week. There's only 2 days of class this week. Lucky you. And so you'll notice there's not a lot of assignments posted. What you might notice is kind of a number and then a letter indicator for every assignment. And the number refers to what week it's part of, and the letters is what day. So TH stands for Thursday, T is for Tuesday, M Monday, W Wednesday, and then we have Friday's assignment, tomorrow's work, for listed here. So what you'll also find, which you might be interested in, some students use this, some don't, is a weekly plan. So you can see at a glance how the week is laid out. So if you can kind of mentally plan ahead for your whole week. So notice you had no school on Monday, no school on Tuesday, you only had orientation on Wednesday. Our class officially starts on Thursday, and these are the 2 assignments you need to do, the class setup and the syllabus quiz, which are posted over in our assignments. And then, so class setup and syllabus quiz. And then you have on Friday the week 1 plan, the lesson 1.1 assignment, which is also posted in your classwork section of Google Classroom. And so those should always match up. There should never be something on the week plan that you don't find listed here. And if that is the case, please let me know right away so I can correct the error. So you found this video most likely through the class setup information, but if you found it another way, this is what your first assignment includes. That's why it says start here. And every assignment will always have an overview of what you're going to be doing in the assignment, just one sentence, basic instructions, the time it's expected to take you, and then what I'm expecting you to learn or accomplish through this assignment. So our learning targets today is really just to get set up and know how this class is structured and where to find what you need. And then the resource you need for that. So this is your checklist that you've been working from, which is probably where you found this video. When you're done with that, you'll mark it as done, and then you'll move on to the next assignment, which is the syllabus quiz, which you also would have seen listed on that. And you'll see it follows the same layout, same type of information. Be sure to read those instructions. You definitely don't want to mess something up because you forgot to click submit and you lose all your answers. That would be so sad. So yeah, follow those instructions and you should be good to go. All right, I am here if you have any questions. Please reach out, and I wish you the best of luck on your first day of biology.